So we're going to show you how to save the seed from a plant and use it next year to make more plants. So this is Nemesia, Love in a Mist, and the flowers look a bit like that, but obviously there's far more than when it's in flower. And if you go and have a look at one of our previous videos, you will see the Nemesia on one of the videos. So what we're going to do is we're going to save the seed. Now, there's a collection of different seed heads here at different stages that I've cut off. So we're going to have a look. So this one, you would think to yourself, well, that's probably the best one to get the seed off, and it certainly looks as though it's ready. But if you have a look at the top, it's already started to come out. So you can shake that into a pot and you probably will get some out. Okay, so there was a few came out there, but you can see that actually quite a lot of them are already missing from there. So there are some in there, but that started to go on the ground, okay, already, and come out there. Okay, but I will do those ones. If we take a green one, you're probably going to guess that this one isn't ready at all, and normally when you see them green they're not ready, but we'll have a little look because sometimes they are. Now you can see that is definitely not ready, so you couldn't save that seed, you're going to have to just discard that. But as you can see, we've got a lot of seed heads. These purpley ones that are a bit in between have not opened and are probably going to have more than any of the others, so I'll just open it. I'll save that seed in a minute for myself, but I'll just open this one and you'll see there's all of the seeds. So none of it is gone yet because it's not come out yet. That is going to make a fabulous amount of seed for me to collect in there. Okay, and I'll put some on here so you can see it as well. So the seed has to be black. Green seed isn't going to germinate at all. So what I'll do is I'll put them into a glass jar for next year, or you could use an envelope or paper bag. Don't, on my recommendation, use plastic bags at all. The seed just tends to sweat and it's horrible and it doesn't keep. So glass jar, really useful, with a nice lid on it, and label a jar. I'm not actually going to use all of the seeds because you can see how many plants I'm potentially going to get next spring when I plant this seed up. So for some of it I can take over to the garden and I can just sprinkle it around, and again, not all of it will take, but some of those seeds could take. So I could have quite a lot of seed around my garden in addition to the ones that I'm going to keep until next year. I'll put a video on planting these next spring so that we could do this together. So you can do this with lots of different seeds. You can do it, I'm waiting for my poppy seeds to go over at the moment, so I'm going to do exactly the same with my poppy seeds. So it's up to you really. Have a look in your garden, see if anything's created.